So today we'll be discussing about Snapshot App Builder. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here, and you can search for Snapshot App Builder. You have to install it first. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the sub account. It is loading at the moment. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. Now we will be moving forward towards the navigation bar. You can find below for Snapshot App Builder. Here it is. There you go. Open the app. Here you can see the interface and UI of Snapshot App Builder. It allows you to design the process when you're launching a new app or refining an existing one. Our tools empowers you to create exceptional experiences that delight users and drive success. Have a look at the dashboard. It allows you to have a look at all of your apps which are being used by the users, the total numbers of users, the locations under that, and the companies too. This allows you to look at the total number of apps and all the applications given here. Same as below with the locations, the users, and the companies. All right. If you want to create or register a new application here, click on the app. You will be required these following information to add on: the app name. You can just copy paste if you have already made one. Let me show you how to do that from the market. Here we are in the marketplace at the moment, and you will be finding the data you have to copy paste, like the client keys. If you have already made one, just copy paste, or if you have not made one of those, you can just add new. Copy both of these. The app as test and app ID with that. Screen is full at the moment, but you have to copy the app ID in the URL and paste it there back in the form. Below here, you have to enter the form ID, and in which there will be available the location ID. You have to copy paste that location ID in here. Let me show you how to do that as well. In here, you can just add the location ID that you can get from the form URL. Just a moment. Add in here. This is all the static data I have entered here to set an example for the moment to just understand it in a better way. I have entered this form URL just to set an example that is static. You can just get your form URL you want to redirect and the forwarding URL as well. As you can see, it is entered in here. And now you have to copy these URLs and paste it back into the marketplace. At the first place, we can just copy the webhook URL, copy that. You can enter it here. The second one will be you have to copy paste the redirect URL here. As I have already did it here, you can see by yourself. The third one will be here. Click on that, edit, and down below you can just copy paste that in here. Save that and continue. The basic things are done here, and now we're moving forward towards the automation to show you the trigger and the actions provided by Snapshot Value Updater. Find for the automations. Here it is. Create a workflow and start from scratch. Got it. Let's just create a new action. It is loading at the moment. Here it is. This is the action provided by Snapshot App Builder. Update custom value. And let's just find for the triggers here. And these two are the triggers provided by Snapshot App Builder. You can apply those into your workflows and automate your system. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.